Alright, so we got our water gimmick set into place, and this is where the water's fed from. What we're going to do is there's going to be a column for the pergola that comes up right behind the grotto, and inside the column we're going to run our water feed so you won't see any plumbing. Then on top of the grotto capstone, and they're going to be suctioned together with a bunch of mortar, so it's going to give extra strength to this rock. And just to make sure it's even stronger, we've epoxied in number 5 rebar all over the back for strength. So then we're going to set this up on top of the 2 pillars over behind me with the crane and mortar them down onto the pillars, set this rock tomorrow, and then cap it with that rock, and the grotto is done. So our first concrete pour was actually shooting the shell. Now we are going to be pouring our footers here for the columns. So right now they're just doing the finishing touches on the step forming and the bridge. And then once that's done, we'll have a nice way to come across the pool back to the house. Our third pour is going to be the footers for the pergola that goes across the whole back side of this pool. Now Chris is over here. We get the pool shell shot, but nothing's exactly perfectly level. So we shoot elevations, put up this masonite, and we get the top of the pool shell perfectly level for our coping. So that's the next stage here.